Today, we're cracking open the secrets of the egg diet. Get ready for an exceptional journey as we explore the incredible benefits that eggs can bring to your health and well-being. Let's dive right in. The egg diet is a dietary approach that focuses on incorporating eggs as a central part of your meals. Potential benefits associated with eggs. Let's explore those benefits in detail. Eggs are truly nature's nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with high-quality protein, essential vitamins, and minerals. In fact, eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids, making them a complete protein source. Plus, they provide important nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, folate, iron, and selenium, among others. If you're looking to shed some extra pounds, the egg diet may be of interest. Eggs are low in calories, yet they offer a sense of satiety that can help control your appetite. The high protein content in eggs can keep you feeling fuller for longer, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. Now, let's address the topic of cholesterol. For years, eggs have been a subject of concern due to their cholesterol content. However, current research suggests that the dietary cholesterol in eggs doesn't significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for most people. In fact, eggs are rich in beneficial nutrients like choline, which is essential for heart health. One of the great advantages of the egg diet is the incredible versatility of eggs in cooking. Whether you prefer them scrambled, poached, boiled, or in an omelet, the possibilities are endless. You can also incorporate eggs into various dishes like salads, sandwiches, and even desserts, making your meals both nutritious and delicious. And there you have it, excellent viewers. The egg diet offers a multitude of benefits, including their nutritional value, potential for weight loss, and contribution to heart health. However, it's important to remember that balance and moderation are key in any dietary approach. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. As always, take care of yourself and make informed decisions about your diet. Stay excellent, and we'll see you in the next video.